Welcome to the video. My name is Sean, and this is Sid Meier's C.P.U. Bach. Sid Meier is well known in the video games industry for his monumental contributions, especially the Civilization series. Back in 1994, though, he decided to do something very different. Collaborating with Jeff Briggs, the two of them made a game that most people wouldn't really consider a game at all. C.P.U. Bach is a music composing game, one where the computer creates all of the compositions. Made exclusively for the 3DO, it would be easy to dismiss this as yet another painful experiment in full-motion video. It is anything but. This is a game that creates new, completely original Baroque music every time you turn it on. When you first boot up, you can see 8 different concert programs: Classics, Concert, Sunrise, Sandman, Party, Soirée, Literary, and Reverie. The Classics section is where you can access your saved compositions, and each of the other programs can be altered to suit your tastes. You can select preludes, sonatas, fantasias, fugues, and how often you'd like to hear them. Within each of these, you can select instruments, including harpsichords, flutes, violins, trumpets, and how often you'd like to hear those as well. For example, let's say I felt like listening to some sort of reverie, but I only really wanted to hear preludes. For my preludes, I only really want piano and harpsichord. With C.P.U. Bach, this is easily done in a matter of seconds. Despite having no control over the actual composition of the music itself, the game gives you lots of options over pretty much everything else. When you click play, you also have access to video graphics to go along with the music. My favorite is musical analysis, but you can also have a picture gallery, a kaleidoscope, and even Mr. Bach himself playing the music for you, with floating instruments to accompany him. The manual is great, providing not only fully colored instructions on how to play the game, but also a detailed history of the Baroque period, including lots of information on the musical forms of the time. There's a feeling of melancholy that comes with playing C.P.U. Bach. There's always that thought in the back of your mind that as you listen to each composition, you know that if you don't save it, no other human being will ever hear that particular music ever again. It will fleetingly exist only in your mind before disappearing forever. This is not a game for everyone, but if you own a 3DO, I highly recommend picking up a copy. It's certainly one of the most unique games on the system.